Welcome to English Academy. If you're serious about speaking English fluently and confidently, you're in the right place. In today's lesson, I'll teach you exactly what you need to improve your English fast, step by step, with real techniques that actually work. But before we begin, like this video to support the channel. Subscribe to English Academy for daily speaking tips. And share this video with your friends who also want to speak English fluently. Now let's begin your journey to confident English speaking.
In this video, we will explore in full detail how you can improve your English fluency. Many learners understand English when they read or listen. But when it comes to speaking, they feel nervous, stuck, or slow. This is very common. And the good news is that fluency can be improved with the right methods and consistent practice. Fluency is not only about knowing grammar or vocabulary. It is about speaking smoothly, confidently, and naturally. Today's video will guide you step by step on how to build your fluency. With practical exercises, powerful techniques, and long-term habits. Watch the entire video carefully and apply the methods in your daily routine. Make sure to subscribe to English Academy. Like this video if you find it helpful. And share it with your friends who want to speak fluent English. Part 1. Understanding what English fluency means. English fluency means the ability to speak English smoothly, without long pauses, hesitation, or struggling to find words. It does not mean speaking perfectly. You do not need to know every English word or follow every grammar rule to be fluent. Fluency means that you can express your ideas clearly and naturally. It means that your thoughts flow in English, without translating from your native language. For example, if someone asks you about your day, you should be able to respond with ease. Such as, today I went to the market. I met a friend, and we had lunch together. That is fluency. Fluency is not tested by using difficult words, but by how easily and clearly you can communicate. Understanding this definition is important, because it removes the fear of making mistakes. You do not have to speak like a native speaker. You just need to speak with confidence and continuity. That is your goal. Part 2. Practice speaking English daily with purpose. The first and most powerful method to improve fluency is daily speaking practice. You must speak English every single day, even if it is only for 10 minutes. This can be done in different ways. One simple method is to speak to yourself. For example, you can describe your daily routine in English. Such as, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth, I make breakfast. And then I go to work. Speaking out loud trains your brain and tongue to get comfortable with English. Another helpful method is mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself as if you are speaking to another person. Ask and answer questions like what is your favorite food or how was your weekend. This builds confidence and reduces nervousness. If you can, find a language partner or use AI speaking tools and talk for a few minutes each day. Do not worry about grammar or making mistakes. The focus should be on speaking continuously without stopping. With time, your brain will get used to forming sentences quickly and fluently. Part 3: Building the right vocabulary for fluent conversations. Fluency depends a lot on vocabulary. But instead of memorizing a long list of difficult words, focus on learning words and phrases that are useful in daily life. For example, learn words for activities like cooking, cleaning, shopping, working, and traveling. But do not learn them alone. Learn them in context. This means you should learn full phrases. For example, instead of just learning the word excited, learn the phrase "I am excited to meet you." This helps your brain remember the structure and makes it easier to speak in real situations. You can also keep a small notebook and write down new phrases you hear in conversations, TV shows, or YouTube videos. Every time you learn a phrase, say it out loud and use it in your own sentence. Repetition is key. Try to read the phrase, write it down, and speak it at least 3 times. This process will make it stick in your memory and help you use it naturally while speaking. Part 4: Start thinking in English instead of translating. One major reason many learners struggle with fluency is because they think in their native language and then try to translate every sentence into English before speaking. This slows down your speaking speed and creates hesitation. To become fluent, you must train your brain to think in English directly. Start small. When you are doing your daily activities, try to describe them in English in your mind. For example, while cooking, think "I am cutting the vegetables" or "I am boiling the rice." If you see something interesting, describe it in English. Like "This is a beautiful sunset" or "The traffic is very heavy today." These small practices build your habit of thinking in English. Another method is to ask yourself simple questions in English during the day and answer them mentally. For example, "What time is it? What do I have to do next?" or "What did I eat today?" When you build this thinking habit, you will not need to translate anymore, and your speaking will become faster and more fluent. Part 5: Improve your listening skills to boost fluency. Listening plays a huge role in speaking fluently. The more English you hear, the more familiar your brain becomes with sentence patterns, pronunciation, and speaking rhythm. This helps you speak in a more natural way. Make a habit of listening to English every day. You can listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube videos, and TV shows. Choose content that matches your level and topics that interest you. While listening, do not just hear the words. Focus on how native speakers connect words, how they express emotions, and how they use common phrases. Try to repeat what they say. This is called imitation. Imitation helps you speak like a native speaker. For example, if you hear someone say, "I do not know," try repeating it exactly as they say it. With practice, you will be able to speak more naturally and confidently. Part 6: Use reading aloud and the shadowing technique. Reading out loud is an excellent exercise for fluency. It trains your mouth and tongue to get used to English pronunciation and sentence flow. Every day, choose a short English passage and read it aloud for 5 to 10 minutes. Focus on clarity and rhythm. Do not rush. If you find a word you do not know, stop and learn its meaning, then read again. Another powerful technique is shadowing. In this method, you listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately after hearing it. Try to copy the speed, tone, and style of the speaker. For example, listen to a podcast or a YouTube lesson. Pause after each sentence and repeat it as closely as possible. This builds speaking speed and confidence. You can do this with subtitles on videos. Read along as the speaker talks. This builds strong muscle memory in your mouth and helps you speak English naturally over time. Conclusion and final review. Improving your English fluency is a journey. It does not happen in one day, but with regular practice, your results will be amazing. Let us review the key points from this lesson. First, fluency means speaking smoothly, not perfectly. Second, speak English every day, even if you are alone. Third, build your vocabulary using full phrases that you can use in real life. Fourth, train your brain to think in English instead of translating. Fifth, improve your listening skills by watching and listening to native English content. And sixth, use techniques like reading aloud and shadowing to train your mouth to speak naturally. If you follow these steps consistently, you will notice real progress in just a few weeks. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and trust your progress. English fluency is within your reach. Thank you for watching this full lesson from English Academy. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to improve their English speaking skills. We will continue bringing more powerful lessons to help you become fluent and confident in English.